So what I've done is I've put together a practice plan so you know what to do every day when you go practice so you can get better quicker. And I want to give that to you for free, okay? So click the link below and I will send you a free practice plan, all right? Until then, let's get to today's video. So this drill you're going to want to do once a month at least once a month. Twice a month would be better. If you could do once a week, that'd be great, all right? But let's shoot for once a month for now. And it's going to help you learn how to play on the golf course much, much better. Most of us, me included, you go to the range, you buy a giant basket of balls and you just bang, 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 bang. You hit ball after ball after ball after ball. You get it, right? And then you go home and you're like, ah. I mean, that's fine if you want to get a workout, a little sweat, I don't know. But if you want to improve, you have to do things differently. And today, we're going to do that. Let's go. Okay, guess how many balls I have in here? Guess how many balls are in the basket? I'll send you a practice guide, which is free anyways. So even if you get it wrong, you can get it. Just click the link, we'll send it to you. Okay, that's what this drill is all about. Wow. Let's say you shoot 90, okay? 90. We're gonna do a little math here, which I'm horrible at. So let's just assume you're a 90 shooter and you 2-putt every green, that's 36 putts, okay? 90 minus 36 is 54. Yes, 54. So you're hitting 54 shots. Let's say a few of those are chip shots, because you're not gonna hit every green, you're gonna have little chips. So let's take off 10. So now we're at 44. 44 shots, real shots on the golf course. You probably missed 10 greens, we probably missed more. Little chip shots, sand shots, chips, whatever. So you have 44 shots. That's how many balls you're gonna hit today, 44. That's what's in my basket. Here's how we're gonna do it. You're gonna hit one ball like every minute and a half. 2 minutes would be better, okay? You're gonna hit a ball, you're gonna wait. You're gonna chill out. Check your Facebook, look at Twitter, Instagram, make a phone call, I don't care. Take a walk. Every ball, hit, take a break. Hit, take a break. Hit, take a break. Time yourself. Whatever, you get the idea, because that's what you do on the golf course. Now, of those 44, 14 are gonna be drivers, because let's say you just hit driver every par 4 and par 5. And there's 14 holes like that. And there's 4 par 3s. Normally, that's average, all right? So, 14 drivers, not in a row, not in a row. You can hit a ball, then you're gonna go to 2 minutes, hit another club, 2 minutes, hit another club, blah, 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 blah. You get the idea. Let's do it. I know, it's the longest, boringest drill, but man, it really, really helps your game. If you could just take some time, because you're not hitting very many balls, every shot counts, and you're taking your time in between every single ball. This drill frustrates me, and I hate doing it, but man, when I do, it really, really helps. And I know when I'm not playing well on the course, and I'm kind of just getting tired out there, and I'm not focused, this is the drill to get that back, all right? So anyways, work on it, okay? Comment below, let me know if you like it, if you hate it, thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever. Comment, let me know. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next video.